Okay, so here we are going to talk about three array methods. First one is trim. So what exactly is trim? Trim takes the values of array and concatenates into the string. It takes all the values of an array. So let's go to the example. Suppose const fruits equals to apple, mango, and orange. Sorry, we should always write the correct spelling. So okay, so here suppose const joined fruits equals to fruits dot join yow, and if you console log fruits now, and run the script, so we see that it concatenates all of them into a single string. And if we now see the type of the joined fruits, okay, so we see that it's a string. Now one thing I didn't write and is separated by a comma. You can also write something like this, okay, and sorry, inside a string obviously. So now if you run this script again, we would see, see, instead of comma now you can write this. So it takes in all the values of the array, concatenates it into a separate string, and it is separated by comma. But if you put this or any other thing inside the join function, that is inside string, if you pass it as a parameter, if you pass any string as a parameter, sorry, as an argument, so we can say that it will not be separated by a comma. It will be separated by something you want. So now index of it, you can find the value of specific index. Okay, suppose now if I want something like this, sorry, if I want like index.orange, index of orange equals to fruits dot index of orange, and console log index of orange, then what we are getting is, if you run this script, so the index of orange is 2, and the counting of JavaScript starts from 0, 1, 2. Then the last thing is concat. Concat does is takes two, if there are two arrays, so let us put another array, const fruits 2 equals to watermelon, sorry, that was a horrible typo, const fruits 2 equals to watermelon, and suppose plum and pear. Okay, so if you find fruits.concat fruits 2, and if you console log the value of all fruits, let us comment these things out, sorry, And if we run our script now, yeah, so we see that both of these arrays are merged into one. That is fruits1 and fruits2, apple, mango, orange, and watermelon, plum, pear. If you do fruits2.concat fruits1, fruits, then the value of fruits2 would come first. So I guess that's pretty much it, and in the next episode we'll be learning about few more array methods. And there are a lot of array methods which we will discuss later, and these things can be done maybe in a better way, but for that you need to follow these tutorials. So thank you, meet you in the next tutorial.